Welcome to Vegas Live with Ninon. This is very confusing, but we're going to unconfuse the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because I happen to love when people just walk in, and Larry actually said he's coming on my show today because he's a reoccurring guest, but he didn't tell me he's bringing all these lovely people.
Yeah.
So I don't know who anybody is, but then I never do know who anybody is, do I?
No.
Who am I? Veg. It's called the Veg. What is it?
Veg Ringtone.
The Veg Ringtone.
Yeah.
Okay, the Veg Ringtone. This is who they all are. What on earth is that?
Well, the Veg Ringtone was created by me and myself.
Yeah.
I'm Michael
Me,
Elliott.
myself, and alone.
I'm
my shadow.
I'm Michael Elliott. You know what I'm saying? And what we've done here as a team,
Yes.
we grouped up. They're from Florida, New Orleans. We hooked up and put together this camp, and we've been hitting the streets here in Vegas. And
Yeah.
it's been
So what do you do?
really
Ringtone.
hot.
What is it? You interview people or you
No,
talk
it's a
to people?
sound. It's a sound, and the sound is a Broadway, like strip-like sound.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
when your phone rings, you won't hear the iPhone chime. You hear the Veg Ringtone.
Bing.
Represent Vegas.
Amazing.
Right. Vegas
Yeah,
Ringtone.
represent Vegas. You know, like you got Cal, C-A-L, you know what I'm saying, that's Cal. You got,
I do?
you know, ATL, you got
ATL.
ATL for Atlanta.
Okay.
Well,
I
Vegas,
see what
you got the
mean.
Vague.
Yes,
Vague,
Vague.
You know,
yeah, the Veg
VG.
Ringtone.
So we got the Vague ring now.
Vague Ringtone.
Boom.
So
Yeah.
how'd you get involved with all this? I mean,
I'm
you know,
looking for
Larry
college.
gets involved with everything.
No, we went to college at UNLV together.
So
You went to college at UNLV together.
Yeah.
Oh, you went to the
Real-
you went to
real
school?
friendship,
So you're
right?
old, you're
Yeah,
old
yeah,
school.
yeah, yeah,
You're
old school.
school.
Yeah, yeah.
What was your name again?
My name is the Vague Ringtone.
Mike
That's the
Elliott.
Vague Ringtone. I guess they all are.
Yeah.
They've all got the same thing on, so I
Where's
guess
your-
they've,
where's your
all got,
shirt?
they've all got the same name. Where's
I
my
got you a shirt.
You've got me a shirt.
I do
just-
have your shirt.
You got a whole truck full of shirts.
No,
But
no,
the thing
come
is,
on.
no, listen. I have a shirt for you, but you have to tell me that
Hey.
you promise you wear the shirt.
Yeah,
You don't even
please.
just throw it on the sideline and just say, hey, you know, I got a shirt from somebody. Promise, real
Problem
promise.
is, now there's
Nina
a very
needs a
large...
check to rock your
no,
shirt,
no,
man.
there's a
A
very...
check.
A check, yeah.
A check.
Corporate
I
check.
thought you was getting me paid for being on here.
No.
Oh, that ain't happening?
Oh, here we go. All right, I'm just going to
okay.
sit back and let them argue about it.
You talking about the Vague Ringtone.
He's all about, he's all
If you
about
got
money.
an iPhone,
Yeah.
if you
That's
got an
Money Mike.
iPhone,
Money
you should be
Mike.
rocking the Vague Ringtone.
Hold on, show them the tats in your head. Show them.
All right, show 'em, look at
VEG,
that.
baby.
Oh.
Baller alert.
Hey.
Now, your name is Jerry.
Yes, how you
Now,
doing?
why are you holding her hand? You afraid she's going somewhere? There's no way she can go at the moment. Believe
I'm
me.
making sure she
Believe me,
does.
she's going
I
nowhere.
was asleep. These guys can't pick me up from my office. I'm
Oh,
asleep
yes,
at the desk. He come pick me up. I get in the van. I just meet this cat.
You don't know these
I
guys.
just met him. But he
Just
cool.
met him.
He met me in
Well, they're
Miami.
very cool.
But this is how
What's your
cool we
name?
network.
Tasha, you're being very quiet.
Yeah.
And they're all kind of, you know, it's just you and I
She's
ladies.
shy.
She's shy,
Oh,
yeah.
sure, she looks shy. Hello.
Hey, we just been
Hello.
from the airport.
TV
It's
shot.
fun
Yeah.
sometimes watching these.
Now,
three
you
go at
just
it.
came in from Florida?
Yeah.
Whereabouts, Florida?
Miami.
Miami? I know, I lived in Miami.
Really? Like the water?
I lived on,
beaches?
I lived in Bell Harbor.
Oh,
What?
Yes?
I know what Bell Harbor is. I was
Bell
out there.
Harbor?
Yeah.
That's Ball Risk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. It's
Bell
quite a
Harbor.
nice area.
Yeah, right off of
Yeah.
Collins Avenue, 19,
Collins Avenue, yeah.
is it 75 Causeway? I think it's the 75th Causeway. I think it is, 75.
Yes.
I think so, I'm not sure. So what brings you out here? This Vague Ringtone brings you out
That's
here?
how to come support my pals.
So how are you two involved in it in Florida? Because that'll be FLA.
over at the flea market at Dex Fragrance
Yes.
in Miami.
For Florida.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
in Florida. She
So-
knows about it.
So you're going to represent Florida with a different tone?
Yes, I'm Florida, New Orleans.
New Orleans
/New York,
/
NYC?
New York.
Texas, Vegas, Chicago, all over the place.
Actually, this guy's a bit of a mess. He's everywhere. No, I'm just.
Hopefully
I'm
she
just
cleans
joking.
me up.
Yes, I'm just. I know
I have
you.
to
I think.
tame
You,
him.
I think these two are in love. I'm not too sure. I think-
She's not in
you know,
love.
She's not in love. Yes, she is. She's not
Don't
going
know
to
why.
show she's in love until you disappear. And they say, where did he go? Where is he?
You gotta
Where's
pay
Jerry?
attention. She said, I don't know what I want. I do know what I want. That's why I put you on the plane.
Oh, pretty cool. How's it going?
She said pretty cool.
Well, the Vague Ringtone is took off. It's been doing extremely well. We also have Vivica Fox who endorsed it. She's on the video where she's
Vivica
talking
Fox,
about
yeah.
the Vague Ringtone.
Yes.
And if I had my live pad, I would actually show you right now. But
Somebody
what
bring
she
the
does
live
with
pad.
it-
No,
well,
see,
she's not
look,
working
it's a
it.
noisy one.
Yeah. So we actually been hitting the streets, you know, here in Vegas, and
So
on
this is
the
a
west
new
side of town in North Las Vegas,
Yes.
which people don't know much about here on the Strip. They have been supporting me. I probably sold over 300 shirts, maybe in like less than 4 months.
So what are you selling? You are selling shirts, or are you selling the ringtone?
Whoa.
I am selling. You know what I'm selling? I'm selling a culture joint of everybody on the same wavelength. That's what I'm selling.
That's what you're selling.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
selling. But the shirts You know, that's beautiful, and they like them, and
How
you know
much
they
are
rep you in Vegas. They
How much are
$20.
$20.
Yeah, they nice.
On the strip, $30.
For real?
And I get,
On the strip,
and I get
$30,
one
huh?
for free.
Yeah, she get one because
I get one for
she
free,
get one
but I have
because
to
she's
wear it. So I'm going to make sure on one of the shows I do. I'm not going to promise which show.
Okay.
But I'll make sure I wear it.
Okay.
I'll make sure because I always have something over. I like to kind of
so
like
what-
cover. But I'll put some. I will definitely wear one for
That's
you.
exactly
And
what-
if I don't wear it, I'll make sure it's somewhere around. In fact, I don't know why you
No,
didn't
no,
have one
no.
down
The
there.
deal is to wear it.
To wear it. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, the deal is to wear it. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, that's the deal. You gotta
All
wear
right.
it.
You also
Once-
going to make your promise? I'll make your promise. I don't know when though, but I
He
will.
wants you to represent because you are a reflection of him once you wear this.
The sound is your look, your style, and everything that was here in Vegas once before with
I love
Liberace
it, I love it,
and
I love it.
you know
I wear 10 of them.
Sammy Davis Jr., the Rat Pack, and all those sounds and everything. That's what the sound is.
That's what the sound
It's the
is.
instrumental sound. You know, I'm gonna let you hear it so you can understand
Because
it.
I'm trying to find out what this whole thing is.
Yeah, we
We're
gotta
selling-
show her.
we're-
Where's the tablet?
we're
I'm gonna
selling
pull
the
this up.
tablet. We-
Here's
no, we
the-
can't have the tablet.
here's what the
You can't
sound is
film
right
and
here.
have the tablet at the same time.
right.
Come
Well,
on.
we got more
Here's
than
what
one
the
tablet.
sound
We got
is.
5 tablets.
Oh, we got one.
That's the sound.
That's the ringtone. You see that?
That's the ringtone.
Hey, you see that in this commercial? That's a Vegas background.
That's cool. All right.
It makes you move and it makes you happy.
See,
You know what I'm saying?
see what this ringtone does?
Like
Moulin
Rouge back in the
You
day,
gotta give me
right?
the t-shirt. And the way I go,
Yeah.
I'll be floating down.
Yeah.
I'll be floating down Vegas Boulevard.
That's
It's
the
a
sound of the
ringtone.
vague ringtone.
Gotta
That's
be
the ringtone.
somebody
That's the
something,
strip.
And maybe
Yeah.
let's talk a little bit.
Yeah,
The
I
light.
think-
We like her.
That's the beauty of Las Vegas. You know what I mean?
So you, how do you like all this? Obviously you do, but
Oh, that's why
this
it's
is
a
all
fan.
new.
It's fan.
This is all new to you, or
Yeah,
this?
no, it's
How long
wild.
have you been doing this?
Actually, I've been doing this since the ringtone since 2017. But I actually had started producing tracks and released a song, been in like an Ice Cube video.
Yeah.
You know, South Central Cartel, Havarachi, the
Some other
mayor.
beauty boy was on
quite a few
stage.
people.
Back it up.
Lazy Bone.
Yeah, Lazy Bone.
I've done a lot of stuff. You know,
Azal's
over the past,
a porn,
but.
too. Azal Satonic. Tell her how we
Azal Zatonica,
Yeah, she was
yes,
there, too.
she's
really?
I
He's
just
on
picked her
stage
up.
filming everything
I
with
filmed,
camera.
yeah. So I actually, Dub C, everybody,
Everybody,
Ice
West
Cube,
Coast.
you know,
Ice
I've
Cube,
been
you
there.
name it,
Above
you
the
are
law.
it.
I've been
Promoter
there, yeah.
movement.
So
Isn't that amazing?
We did. We
what
had
was,
above the law.
what was
promoter
interesting was making a sound that sounded good,
Yeah.
Yes.
and it was music
So you
to my
obviously
ears.
have an.
I have
I
an ear
was say
for
you
music.
have an ear for music,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah, come to the
because-
next show.
And it has to be a
The next
quality
show.
sound.
Yeah.
The sound has to be
speakers,
quality. And I
speakers.
also
Yeah.
have a single that I released last year, just off of production, but it's two people rapping on it, and it's called Get Yours. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
It's on
yes.
Spotify and all of
Is there
those.
copies of it?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
You are a go-getter, aren't you?
I'm a go-getter.
He's amazing.
I've been
No, he's
getting it.
absolutely amazing.
I've been getting it, you
Well,
know.
you all are amazing.
No
but-
doubt.
But he's, yeah.
Without them, it doesn't work.
Well, that's
Because what
true.
he
Well, I have the
does,
same
what he
thing.
does is amazing.
Yeah.
What you know,
So what do you do? What do you do?
don't give it all to him. Just tell him what you do.
I have a contract with Mac. I'm in the entertainment business. I manage models. I have a photographer in Atlanta. If you want to meet him, we'll call him right now.
Yeah, we out here.
I'll sign you up.
You'll sign me up as a
quick.
model. Because I'm going to be in the
We're
old.
looking for more candidates.
Okay, well I don't know, but put me in the older model stuff. I don't want to be a young model. I want to be where I'm at.
Hey, we
I
get ready
don't-
for Magic.
I don't
Well,
want
I'm
to
in the
take on
entertainment
something
business.
Yeah,
else.
we'll get magic this year with the vague
Hey,
ringtone
I
too.
got to
Okay.
shout out something real
See?
quick.
Yeah, come on.
I got a new app that I'm just dropping. It's called Tip Spins, right? Download to your app to your phone right now. It just got launched out 2 nights ago. It's a
Tip spin?
Tip Spins, right?
Oh,
It's a-
tip spins.
It's in your phone. Hold
Hold on, let me just say one thing while he's trying to figure that out. Follow me on
Which
Instagram,
one is
one
this?
Mine.
boss underscore
What's in the
mode,
Bible?
MODE. Listen up,
Listen
because
up.
my life is your entertainment. Now watch.
Are you on Mr. History?
Somebody
Yeah,
would
this
sign
is
this,
what I
man.
love about, this is what happens in this day, this modern day of, nothing is sort of, put in writing, nothing, it's just a very open show, and everybody does their own thing, and this group is definitely doing their own
It's right
thing,
here.
but it's
Just my
amazing.
app.
All
It's
right,
called Tip Spins.
two spins. Does it-
Follow me on
tip-
Instagram.
Tip
spin.
spins.
Does it play something?
No, it's for DJs. You go
It's
to
for
a club.
DJs.
Look,
Go
if
to-
you go to
You
a
know
club,
Buddy,
you go to a
I need you to
club
do one thing.
and you want to hear a song.
See, I don't know who's doing what. Hang on a second. No, don't forget this is on air.
Yeah.
We're going live. Don't forget that this is live.
Okay.
That's live. We're live. Do your plug. Do your plug.
So we
They're doing that thing.
Instagram
Press the middle
ME702LV.
Hold it and get us. You can step back. Yeah. No,
Oh, he knows what to do. Oh,
Just hold the button like you record.
no, but he's been recording with my phone.
Start over here on him on this Veg shirt. No, record. Press. Hold the button. You gotta hold the button.
Tip
Hold
Spins
on.
DJ. Tip Spins DJ. Download the app.
Now this
Tip
is amazing.
spins.
See, this is tip spins. Now this
Tip
is
spins.
exactly what happens on
let
my
them see
show.
the camera, too,
I don't know
the whole
what's going on
setup.
or what's happening, but I know
When you
they're all
come back
very
around.
energetic. They're all doing their thing. And I hope
Bam.
they're all making
There
money.
it is.
Oh, no
They're
doubt.
making. He's paying attention
Yeah.
to me.
No
He's
doubt.
leaning forward. What's the lady saying?
It's the app right
Because
there.
we don't know each other. We
All the way to the
I know,
end, to the run out.
I don't know any of these. So how do you make money on this apart from selling the T-shirts?
Well, actually, profit for T-shirts actually go to this club. It's called Southern Nevada Chess Club.
Okay.
It's for these kids that's in the projects that really.
So help make money for them.
Yes,
Oh, I
that's
love
actually
that.
where the money goes.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
That is
So
wonderful.
and then if you purchase the $1.29 ringtone, which is
$1.29 ringtone? Absolutely.
all that
Oh, I
money
love that.
goes.
Look at that, the
All
shirt.
that money goes to the Southern Nevada Chess Club.
Awesome.
So, hey,
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's SouthernNevadaChess.com.
Last shout
and
out.
Scholastic Center.
Last shout out.
Oh, I think he's taking
Who'd
a
you
shot
hook
at
me
me.
up with?
Yow!
This is last week. He hooked me up with.
I hooked him up
I
with
just
Cat.
want to, I've
Tell
got to
me
close
what
down
you're
because we've got
doing.
the end of the
Tell me
show
what
coming up. You are all amazing. The
The Veg
Vegas
Ringtone.
the Veg Ringtone.
And
is
also,
wonderful.
also I have the Vegas Strip ringtone too.
The Vegas strip ringtone as well. So he's got them all coming out there. Absolutely
Represent
amazing.
Vegas. You know what I'm saying?
Larry,
That's love, peace, and
Hey, come
happiness.
by my
Larry,
new
do it
office,
again.
940 West Owens. That's where I work at studio with my homeboy Cat. We up there working, shooting videos, studio.
Plugged him right in.
He plugged me in too. He good as.
Plug them all in.
If you want to
Oh,
get
my
plugged
company.
in
I
Vegas,
can
come
check right
through
there.
me,
Downtown
and I
Entertainment.
got you plugged
Well, say
in.
what it is.
Oh, Downtown Entertainment in the building.
Downtown
You know,
Entertainment.
just Google DJ Downtown and just
say
pop
so.
up. Okay, that's it.
Absolutely amazing. And
You
they're
catch
amazing.
me.
I love them. And what
You
about
can
you?
catch me, Tasha, on Instagram, LadyQuake305.
She's amazing. They're all fabulous. We'll be right back next week. This is truly
Thank you.
the end of today. We've had
We
a
on
fabulous
TV,
time.
fool.
Thank
We
you,
on
everybody.
TV.
Thank you to my
Who's in the
audience
video?
for being out there and for supporting what we do. We'll be back next week.